Alright, sir, what happened? Ma'am, come here. Come here. No, right now. Yes, you are.
Right now, stop. Stop.
Let go of his cup!
Somebody hit me. And I don't
Do you need medical?
Date: August 5, 2024. Location: Monroe County. Event: domestic battery investigation and resisting arrest.
So, here's what I know. This is my friend Michael Giorino, that's his wife Heidi. They're both my friends. They started fighting. Yeah, the baby was in the other room. And we were trying to separate the baby.
Confirming in route 4102.
Somebody had been drinking and starting to fight. And when we finally got them separated, she came out. And then I heard like all kinds of stuff going on.
Alright.
I was in the bedroom.
Alright, sir, so what happened?
She started beating up on my son's fiance, and my son was trying to separate the two.
I got you. So what happened today, sir?
Yeah, just too much drinking.
Too much drinking?
Out of control. I mean, she's just hitting on everybody. Just trying to get the situation. I don't want anything to happen, but it's got to stop, and she won't stop. And now all of a sudden she's being a little...
No, I got you. So how did she end up with her lip all busted?
I don't know. On me?
No, I'm not blaming you for anything. I'm just saying how
She's
she
just
got
been
that.
punching everybody, falling down, drunk, obnoxious. They're all bloody up there. She's been punching everybody, breaking up the bedroom.
I got you. So she started all of this?
Yes.
Yes?
100%.
So did you hit her, or did someone else hit her?
We wrestled around. They hit up there. The girl, I think her and her, I don't know. I didn't say I was holding the baby in the bedroom.
I got you. Do you have your ID on you or upstairs?
Upstairs, yeah.
All right, can you go get it? All right, ma'am, you want to tell me your side of the story?
I don't know. I just have troubles with that guy. And we're married and we have a baby.
I got you. Go for it. Do you have your ID on you in your truck or upstairs?
I think upstairs.
All right.
But I'm just tired of it. I'm just so...
I got you.
I don't want to do
So
this anymore.
you can't tell me anything?
That my lip is busted?
No,
busted my lip.
yeah, I got,
It's-
like, how did all this start?
We're just having problems. So
Problems.
transpired into
Any arguing that started before all this?
probably, yeah.
You want to take a seat on these steps right
I
here?
just want to go. I just don't.
Well, you can't leave now, so
Well, I do. I want to go back home. I don't want to be.
I
here
got
anymore.
you. But you can't leave now. I'm
Okay, my
conducting
lip
an
is
investigation.
Busted.
I know, but if you leave, you're gonna be in a whole lot of more
No,
trouble.
I'm not leaving. I'm
All
just
right.
saying I don't want to be around him anymore.
I got you. So you can't tell me any argument that started before this. You can't tell me anything.
Yeah, we argued, and then
What was the
I
argument about?
said, you know, if you want to some other girl, then be my guest, do that. But I don't want to be a part of it, and my lip is busted.
How did that happen?
I don't know. I
You don't
literally,
know.
I just know. I just felt like swelling. I'm like, I don't even know how
So-
that happened.
You didn't see anybody hit you or
No,
wrestling, anything like that?
no.
Let's stay right there for a second. Is her ID in there by chance? No.
I don't know where her...
Alright, let me just come over here. Did the baby see all this happen? Yes.
Yeah, I tried to separate her as best I could. She was blocking.
I got you.
So she's okay now.
No, I got you. So to my understanding, she drank too much. Then she started problems about you with somebody else.
Yeah, with this young girl, my friend's
Daughter.
boyfriend, or their son's daughter,
Yes.
or son's girlfriend.
So she just started problems. Started just hitting everybody and.
Losing her mind, I don't know.
I got you. So she just started hitting everybody. You tried to stop, and she started hitting you. And all right. Hey.
It's okay, sweetie.
Ma'am, just stand back over there for a second.
I just need to take my baby.
No,
She's okay.
No,
She's
She
okay.
needs her mom.
It's all right, ma'am. Go sit back. Go sit back over there, ma'am. Go stand back over there, please.
Here,
We're just talking.
Ma'am, just go stand back over there, please.
She's okay.
Ma'am, just go stand back over there, please.
Can we get a good distance away from her?
Yeah, I'm the only one here, so I just got.
No, you're good. You're good.
I got you.
Believe me.
So what happened?
So
If you want to wait to talk so you can calm down
you're
more.
good. So her and her husband had been in a fight all night, basically, and she's been crazy this whole time. And I was just sitting out there talking to my mom because she's flying down tomorrow. I was letting her know. I was like, "Are you sure you want to go?" You know, just kind of joking with her. And she walks out of the house, I guess, after they had stopped fighting, and she comes out and just starts. I told her, I was like, "You need to get your ass back inside." I was like,
I got you.
"You
Hold
need to
on,
go on."
ma'am. Come here.
Under the Supreme Court precedent of Terry v. Ohio, 1968, law enforcement possesses the authority to conduct a brief investigatory detention. This legal threshold requires reasonable, articulable suspicion that criminal activity has occurred or is afoot. During a lawful Terry stop, a subject is legally detained and not free to leave. Attempting to walk away is a violation of a lawful order, not an exercise of rights. Not refusing to submit to a lawful investigative detention establishes immediate probable cause for arrest under obstruction statutes. Active physical resistance, such as pulling away or fighting control holds, escalates the offense to resisting arrest with violence.
Come here. You're not leaving.
No, I'm
You're not leaving.
I'm going to get my pod.
You're not leaving.
I'm going to get my pod.
You're
Please
not
don't
leaving.
touch
Sit
me.
back down. You're not
Stop.
leaving. Come on, stand back up. Stand back up.
No.
You want to catch?
Stop.
You want to catch a charge? Yes or
No,
no?
I'm
All right.
not.
So stand
Can
up
you
and listen to
stop?
me. Stand up and listen to me. Hands behind your back. Come on.
No, I'm not. I'm not putting my hands behind my back.
Go to 11.
No.
Stand up. Put your hand behind your back.
No.
Come on.
I need to fix my fucking hair. What are you
Copy,
doing?
Maggie. Come on.
Stop.
Come on.
Stop.
Come on. Hands behind your back.
No, I'm not doing that.
Come on.
You're not doing that.
Well, you're catching.
Stop.
You're catching another charge
No,
right
I'm
now.
not.
Yes, you
Stop.
are. Come on. Hands behind your back.
Stop.
Come on.
Stop.
Come on.
Doing that.
I don't care. Stop.
Pepper spray.
No, stop.
So roll over on your stomach.
Stop.
Roll over on your stomach now.
No.
Heidi, listen.
No.
Stop resisting. Roll over on your stomach
Stop.
now.
I'm not going to jail. I'm on vacation.
Come on.
I'm not going
Roll
to jail.
over now.
Stop.
Roll over on your stomach now. Come on.
Stop.
Come on. Stand up.
No. Stop. Stop.
Come
no.
Well, you're going to jail now, so come
No,
on.
I'm not. Stop pushing
Come on.
on me.
You're going to jail.
You're pulling on me right now.
You're going to
Stop.
jail.
Stop.
Stand up. You're going to jail.
Stop.
So
No,
your
I'm
hands behind
not.
your back.
Get off of my hand. That hurts.
Come on. Come on.
Please get off of me.
Come on.
Get off of me.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Stop.
Hands behind your back. Come on.
Stop. I'm not going to jail. Stop.
Come on.
Stop.
Roll over.
Stop.
You're going to jail, so come
No,
on.
I'm not.
You're-
Stop.
Yes, you are.
Right
Come on.
now. Stop.
Come on.
Stop.
Come on.
Stop.
Come on.
You're not doing this.
Roll over.
Stop.
Roll over. Roll over.
Stop.
Roll over on your
Stop.
stomach now.
No. Stop.
Come on.
Stop.
She's going to jail, so come on.
Get
Roll
off
over on
of
your
me.
stomach.
Get off of me.
Roll over.
My lip is busted.
Roll
Get
over.
Off of me.
Turn over.
Turn over.
No.
Do you want to get pepper sprayed?
I don't care. Stop.
Turn over.
Stop.
Turn over.
Stop.
Turn over.
Stop. Right now. My baby is right there. Please just stop.
So come on. Listen to me. Look at me. Look at me. You're gonna get sprayed.
I don't
Okay.
care. Just stop.
Come on.
Stop.
I don't want to spray you. That shit
Stop.
burns,
I
so
don't
come on.
care. Please stop. Stop. Stop.
Don't
Get
stop.
off
Stop.
of
Stop. Stop.
me.
I'm just
Get
turning it
off
over.
of me.
I'm just turning it over. Okay. That's okay. Just grab the other arm.
I'm leaving.
Just grab the other arm.
I don't want to do this. Stop.
Grab the other arm.
Stop. If people want to be cheating, then they can do that on their own time. Get off of me.
There you go.
Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me.
Okay.
Stop.
Just hold it right there.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Come on.
Stop it. Stop.
Give me your other hand.
Stop. Stop. Right now. No, stop.
All right, give me this hand. Give me
No,
this hand.
it's not
All right.
my fault. Stop.
Let go of my cuffs. Come on. Let go of my cuffs.
Then stop.
Let go of his cuffs. Let go.
Service units, the everything help.
Let go. Let go. Toto, you really can't. Come on. Give me that hand.
Stop. I said stop.
All release air. All service units resume normal traffic. Released at 20 feet.
Stop. Stop.
Still walking.
Trying.
All right, take your time.
Stop. That f***ing hurts. Stop.
All right. We're going to stand you up now.
No, that's hurts.
Come on.
Get off of me. Stop.
Come on. Let's go.
Stop. Ow. Stop. The f***ing hurts so bad. Stop.
Don't kick my car.
Stop. Please stop.
Stand up.
Stand
Come on. Sit down. Sit down.
Sit up. Hold on there. Move that shield. That bag.
Sit down.
Sit in. Put your feet in. Put your feet in. Listen to me. I'm going to open this door. I'm telling you now, if you kick me, I'm going to charge you with a felony. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Hold the flashlight. Let me just grab her legs first, okay?
I just want my daughter. Please stop. Please stop. Please.
Move your leg. Set it down.
No, stop.
Copy, break. 611.
All right. I don't want you to get kicked in the face, okay? It needs to go up. It
I
needs to go
just
up.
want my daughter.
Okay.
Please stop.
Loosen your legs.
Please stop. Please stop.
Get it up all the way. Hurry up. Hurry up.
I got it.
Please
Listen.
stop.
No, she's going to get off. So you got to get it up above the knees.
Please.
Okay, you got to loosen it up.
Ah, stop!
Get it up. Okay, hang on.
Copy, goodbye.
It's got to be Set it up. Open it up. Open it up all the way. Stop fighting.
Just stop.
Put it on, Matthew.
Stop. I already have cuts on my hand.
Well,
That hurts.
kicking the door.
I don't care. I don't want to do this anymore. Just stop.
Back up.
Stop.
Back up.
Stop.
If you break anything in this car, you get another charge.
Not breaking
Close the door.
anything. There's nothing to
Move your
break.
foot.
Stop.
Go in. Move the foot.
Stop.
Move the foot.
Stop.
Move your leg.
Stop, please.
Move your foot. Close the door. Finish up. Take her to the jail.
Under Graham v. Connor, 1989, law enforcement's use of force is evaluated strictly under the Fourth Amendment's objective reasonableness standard. Application of empty hand control techniques and takedowns is legally justified to subdue an actively resisting and non-compliant subject. The verbal threat of less lethal force is a legally recognized de-escalation tactic utilized to gain psychological compliance. Key legal lesson: the street or a residential yard is never the appropriate jurisdictional venue to contest the legality of police actions. Constitutional protections are preserved through compliance on the scene and are meant to be aggressively litigated inside a courtroom. Unlawful physical resistance guarantees an arrest and severely compounds legal jeopardy, regardless of the validity of the initial investigation.